Today, we learn all about lists in HTML. There are two main types of lists, ordered lists and unordered lists. An unordered list uses the UL tag. Each item inside of an unordered list goes inside of an LI tag. An ordered list uses the OL tag and numbers the items automatically. Here, items also go inside of an LI tag. If you need a specific order, like step 1, step 2, use an ordered list. If the order doesn't matter, like a list of ingredients, use an unordered list. So let's take a look at that inside of Visual Studio Code. First of all, we are going to start by creating an unordered list. We can do so by using the UL tag, by basically using an opening and a closing tag for the unordered list. Now we will use the LI tag to create different list items. So we can basically do so by using the LI tag, and inside of the LI tag we are basically going to use some text like this is the first item. Now we can duplicate this item 2 times, for example, and create a second item and a third item. Once we save, we can basically see those bullet points, and we have our first item, we have our second item, and we have our third item. And as you can see, you could basically add as many items as you want to. Now let's take a look at the ordered list by using an OL tag for ordered list, and again using LI to create different list items again. This could, for example, be the first ordered list item. And now we'll save our website, and as you can see, we have a 1 right here, and now it basically says this is the first ordered list item. Now we can duplicate this item again, and as you see, it now basically enumerates every single item. So you have a first item, you have a second bullet point, and a third bullet point. And we could, for example, rename this to second and third, but it doesn't really matter too much. I'm sure you basically understand the difference between ordered and unordered lists now. Every time the order of the list matters, you basically use an OL tag, and otherwise you use an UL tag. This is basically all you need to know about ordered lists and unordered lists.